In this session, I want to quickly go through and show you how the t-statistic is presented in the results section of a journal article. So here's an example from the Journal of Psychological Science, and the article is called A Sniff of Happiness. And we're just going to go down to a part to where they present a t-statistic. And so we have that here, and this is as part of the article where they're trying to induce happiness in people, and so they're trying to demonstrate that no, these clips really are making people happier as compared to the neutral clips. And so we have that. They describe the results here. You'll notice they had 30 participants who viewed all of these different clips, and so you'll see their ratings, their happiness ratings. After they see the happiness clips, you'll see the mean here and standard deviation for the happiness clips as compared to the happiness ratings after they view the neutral clips. And you'll see certainly higher happiness ratings here after they view the happiness clips as compared to the neutral clips. And so then you see the T portion here, how they present the T statistics. And so we see the T, and then in parentheses we have the degrees of freedom, and then equals, and then this is the T statistic, just like we calculated in class and how you calculate in your homework. So 7.45 in everyday language. This is telling us that this mean difference is almost 7.5 times larger than the difference you expect by chance between the two groups. And then it tells us the probability level. What's the probability of getting a T this large by chance? It's less than 0.001. So remember, we set alpha at 0.05. So when we look at this, if it's 0.05 or less, we'd say, okay, reject the null hypothesis. It's a statistically significant difference. And then they provide us with Cohen's d, the size of the effect. And remember, when we calculated that, and if we got a Cohen's d of 0.8 or larger, we considered that to be a large effect. And look at this. This is just a massive Cohen's d. That means the mean difference, the differences between the means is about 2 3/4 standard deviations. That's a really, really big effect size. And so one more example up here for the ratings of the neutral clips and how neutral it made them feel. And you'll see the means here, means and standard deviations for the neutral ratings for the neutral clips, and then for the happiness clips, how neutral it made them feel. And so you'll see lower ratings here as compared to the neutral clips. Again, we've got our T and the degrees of freedom of 28, and here's our T value, which is a little smaller for this one, 2.67. And then again, the probability level, and this time it tells us the exact probability of getting a T this large by chance, and that's 0.013. Again, still less than the 0.05. And then we'll see the Cohen's d here as well. And so that mean difference is about close to 1 standard deviation in terms of the difference, so we still have a very large effect here. So I'm hoping this should help take you through the homework problem that you have, where you're looking through a results section, trying to understand what the T statistic is telling you in a results section in the journal article.